I'm Jonathan Guevara, and I'm honored to welcome you to our new community college. Today, we mark the beginning of a new future for the university community and for Washington, D.C. Together, we will set a new standard of excellence for community colleges nationwide. Here's what this means for you. You'll receive the education and training to prepare for rewarding and exciting careers. The opportunity to earn an associate's degree with a faculty and staff dedicated to your success. And the ability to pursue your dream by taking advantage of an education that's affordable and accessible. Let's get started.